Good morning, guys. Today we are going to make a beef baked bread from our leftover beef.
Mama,
And I have my little helper here named Ipa. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna make, we're gonna use 1 cup total of flour.
Mama,
And then we're gonna add semolina flour as well, okay?
I want to do it.
Okay, go ahead and dump right here, baby. Okay, more. Okay, so hang on a second. Let's go ahead and measure it. Hang on. Okay, a little bit more.
Huh?
Okay, yeah. Oh, that's way too much. Enough, way too much. Take that thing out. And then here's the semolina flour. Semolina flour.
Can I do it?
Okay, hang on.
I wanted to do it.
Right, now that's 1 cup of flour, okay? Into a bowl. Okay, you can mix it, my lovely. And then let's go ahead and put a teaspoon. Hang on now. Teaspoon
Can I do
okay,
it?
go ahead. Teaspoon of yeast. Okay, that's good. Half a teaspoon of yeast. That's good. Mix it in. Mix it in.
I'm mixing it already.
Good. And then let's go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay. Mix it in. Okay, let me do it. It's when you have a helper, guys, it's really helpful. Alright, let's go ahead and mix water. Okay, keep mixing.
It's starting to get funner.
What?
It's starting to get really fun, Mama.
Yeah.
It's turning into dough.
Not yet.
It's turning.
So guys, I'm just making preparation of my beef bread, baked bread for later. My dough still rising. So this time I have beef, garlic, red onion, white onion, and spinach. So yesterday it was chicken. Alright, so this one is beef. Alright, and I can't wait to make this for dinner tonight.
finish it. I have to finish it off with this putty thing to make it clean. I just have to wipe it too, wash it off too, and clean. This cutter is clean. The cutter is almost clean, Mama.
Good.
It's gonna be clean soon, but it looks a little clean, but that's clean, but I still have to wash it. I'm doing great with the washing dishes, Mama.
You go. You are. Yeah, I'm so proud of my baby.
I'm good at washing dishes already.
Good, I like that.
Because when I'm 4, I earned this job.
This job.
Huh? When I'm 4, I earned this job, Mama.
Yeah. Are you proud of that job?
I always have to follow the jobs I'm supposed to do.
Oh yeah?
Wash dishes and help cook.
Like at your age?
No, this age. I always have to follow the ones I do.
Oh,
I help wash the dishes while you're cooking. And I help you cook too.
very
But
nice.
today, right now I have to wash all these. But there's nothing dirty dishes right now, so I have to wash these. When something is really there's a lot of stuff to wash, I can do that. There's lots of stuff in here, I think.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, they are growing so big.
It's because you
Our
eat.
dough is our dough is growing. You have to put an egg wash, and I keep forgetting to buy brush at the store. So I am being creative and using this. Okay?
Mama, can I do it?
It's just a fabric, really.
Mama.
And then you just, fold it, and then you can use. You have a brush now. Alright, be creative, guys. Okay. Alright, guys, it's done. This is it. Look at that. It looks so beautiful. My gosh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna freeze all of most of them because we cannot eat it at one time. And then once we want it, then we're just gonna take one out and then put it in the oven to heat it up. Alright, you should try this. It's a really simple recipe and there's no wasting of food anymore, guys. So try it. Alright, have a blessed day.